Hello guys, so today we have a new vlog, and today's vlog, this is the first ever vlog that we're gonna use a Nikon camera. So yeah, you hear me guys. Since before I don't have any vlog regarding Nikon or Nikon. Bahala kayo. So today guys, we have this new. Actually, it's new for us, but it's not a totally new camera. But for me, it's like a new because this is the first time that I'm gonna use a Nikon camera for vlogging. Yes, guys, we have this Nikon Z30 or Z30. So with a kit lens, which is 1650 millimeter. So we're gonna try to use this camera for vlogging. Actually, I think they designed this camera for vlog because first they remove it's similar with the X10, ZVE1, ZVE10. They removed the viewfinder, so it's totally good for, and it's compact, and it's totally good for vlogging. Because first the screen is flip, so I'm looking from the lens, and this is the screen. So it's a flip screen, so it's good for vlogging. So now we're gonna test and try to vlog using this camera. So image stabilization, I think it's it's a decent, it's good, and the color also. Yeah. So this is the first time that we're gonna use the Nikon camera for vlogging. So I think Nikon is the best brand from India, right? Nikon. There's too much Nikon user in India. Yeah, especially in Kerala. Carla, see? Shout out sa India. So all my subscriber from India, shout out. And thank you for ano ba tawag doon? Supporting our channel regarding tech from photography and videography. And we have a lot of friends also, Indian friends working here in Kuwait. So, and shout out to all the Indian community. So, mabuhay. And again, I believe most of before, as I remember, most of our Indian customer, they love Nikon. So for me, I will not say it's bad, it's good, but Nikon, they have their own style, the color, and so let's see. This is my first ever test using a Nikon camera. So ayan, the Nikon Z30. I like the design. Actually, the design, its compactness, uh, the lens itself, and it's like a new type of mirrorless. Yan. But the iconic red lining from the hand grip is still there from DSLR and even from the mirrorless. So yeah, uh, di ba? Ganda ng Nikon. Ba't di ka nag-Nikon, sir? Oo. Mahal? Hindi. Mura to. Ito yung Z30. Z30. Pang vlogging camera nila. Di ba sabi mo bibili ka pa ng isang camera? Yun. So, we'll wait for the other camera, for the camera of Harvey. He's planning to buy the Z30. Actually, he have already R50, so he's planning to buy again. Nikon Z30. Sa asawa ni Harvey, panapanood yun na to. Alam mo na. Yun guys, again, this is the quality of the Nikon Z30. There's one Nikon user here. Yan. Pare, you are Nikon user, right? What do you think of Nikon? What is your Nikon, pare?
Nikon Z6 Mark.
Pangit? Is pangit or good?
Huh?
Good? Good?
Not good.
Yeah.
It's
How,
also
how do you
it's
think of
standing now.
how about this Nikon? No.
It so nobody has to persistent build.
Just wait.
Persistent.
No, I'm talking about the Z30. What do you think of Z30?
Z30 nice one. Z30.
No, in general, the
In
Nikon.
general, Nikon because the previously if I talk before maybe how many years in India my first camera of my life was Nikon.
Nikon?
So that time I didn't know much about the brand, but gradually when I started filming, then after I came to know that yeah, Nikon has something built in. So Nikon, I like the mostly the color science. So also the people always keep what is that? Keep complaining that autofocus is this and that. But now in this era, in this situation, if I talk
Situation. Okay.
in this situation,
Yeah, situation.
so the people will fail. I
Mm.
mean, the autofocus is awesome. I'm happy.
So you
Thank you.
like Nikon a lot.
I like it. Yeah,
Okay.
100%.
Sounds good. Good luck for your Nikon.
Thank you.
So
This is Nikon even Z30. It's shooting right now. Yeah, it's versatile. You can see here.
see,
So
this is,
vlogging.
this is for vlogging camera. So we're testing the his Nikon user. His name is, what's your channel, pare?
One block, one block, one vlog.
Okay. Okay. Buang 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 vlog. So follow buang buang vlog. Ano buang buang vlog. Okay. Yon. So let's try to use this camera in low light. We will go outside and check the quality of uh the video on this Nikon Z30. Yeah. So we are here outside now. We have a nice um Baluti Pro promotion here. Yeah. See. Okay. So we're outside the showroom and let's see the quality for low light. So actually this area guys is the the lights situation here. The light is very bad. We have tungsten, daylight, it's mixed. So I don't know, but we have an auto white balance and ISO. I did automatic for the ISO. So yeah, let's see the quality of this Nikon Z30. Hello guys. So again, we are here in a Symphony Megastore showroom in the Nikon area, Nikon booth. Yeah, we have all the Nikon products here, guys. We have from Nikon Z9, Z7, 8, Z6, Z5, Z30. Of course, we are using D850. We have lenses available now in AB World Megastore. So already, yeah, we have a demo unit if you want to test some of the Nikon lenses, and we have Nikon actually. If you want to purchase the Nikon lens, we have available now here in AB World. Yeah, name it, guys. So again, all the said series for Nikon is available now here in AB World Megastore showroom. So again, I think that's it for today. Again, this is not the last time that we will make a vlog regarding Nikon. So we will try to use other Nikon camera. But again, this is the first Nikon vlog that we did since 3 years, I think. Yeah. Again, I think that's it for today. Again, if you want to know the price and availability of the Nikon product that we have, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Nikon products, it's available in our websites. Again, www.abworld.com. Or if you want to test and check the Nikon product, you can visit us here in Megastore Symphony showroom. So we have all the demo units, camera and lenses. So, ayan. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.